Welcome to the Market Gems. Myself Andrews Thomas. Today I am going to reveal you the first market gem for multifold returns. Stock market investments are subject to market risk. Please consult your financial advisors before any investment decisions. Press the bell icon next to the subscribe button for future notifications. Please share this information with your friends and relatives. Today, 1st December 2021, our first market gem is RPSG Ventures, formerly known as CESC Ventures. This company belongs to the famous Kolkata-based RP Sanjeev Goenka Group. This group's businesses includes power, energy, carbon black manufacturing, retail, IT, FMCG, media, entertainment and other new ventures. RPSG Ventures is the demerged entity from CESC Limited, that is Calcutta Electric Supply Corporation. RPSG Ventures holding 53.66% of First Source Solutions Limited as on 30/9/2021. First Source Solutions involved in the business process management services both in India and international arena. Market capitalization of First Source Solutions is approximately 12,500 crore as on 1st December 2021. First Source Solution is a listed company in BSE and NSE. Apart from that, RPSG Ventures holding the following businesses. Costa Properties India Limited is a 100% subsidiary of RPSG Ventures, involved in the following businesses. Property development, which operates Cost Mall in Kolkata. Baulopedia operates 11 restaurants in Kolkata, Delhi and NCR under the brand names Wafflewala and the Chef's Board. The other company, Guilt Free Industries Limited, 100% subsidiary of RPSG Ventures, involved in the business of fast moving consumer goods under the brand name 2M, and it acquired a 70% stake of equity capital of Apricot Food Products Private Limited, and this company involved in the manufacture of food products. The next subsidiary company of RPSG Venture is Herbolab India, 100% subsidiary of RPSG Ventures. This company involved in the business of manufacture and sale of Ayurvedic proprietary medicines under the brand name of Dr. Vaidya. Face value of RPSG Venture is rupees 10. Total equity 26 crore as on March 21. Total reserves and surpluses 2,117 crore as on March 21. Book value per share is approximately rupees 1,300 as on March 21. Promoter holding is 54.35% as on September 21. Total market cap is approximately 1,846 crore as on 1st December 2021. 52-week high is 1,144 and low is 241. Price book value ratio is only 0.54. That means this company is very much undervalued. A lot of scope for appreciation. Major highlights are small equity capital, top class management, major business, the IT enabled services. Promoter holding is 54.35%. Current market price is around 650 rupees as on 1st December 2021. Quarterly turnover of around 1,600 crores, whereas total market capitalization is only 1,750 crores. Some of the negative factors: many of the businesses are new ventures, will take time for break even. Recently, this group is allotted with a new IPL cricket team for total 7,090 crore for 10 years. That means 709 crore rupees per year. Some of the experts says this team will be valued around 10 to 12,000 crore after 10 years. 51% of the stake of this team will be held by the RPSG Ventures, and the balance will be held by other RPSG group companies. This is the first gem for you. Coming with more gems in the coming weeks. Stay tuned. Your profit is my motivation. Thank you.